Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have some things from the Mega Drop Shop from Ipsy / Boxy, Boxy / Ipsy, whatever way you want to look at it. And I showed you some already. I had that a beautiful mystery bag, and I did get one deluxe sample in there, and I emailed them and they gave me some points. So I see there's something wrong with this too. I got this and this and another little mystery bag. So let's see what I got. Let's start out with something good. This is Smashbox Always On Cream to Matte Lipstick. Smudge, Smudge is right here, y'all. I know you've been asking about him, but now see, Camille came up. So now he doesn't want to be here. Camille, you're gonna have to go down. Smudge, he's really, oh, I don't know, y'all. It's not working well. I don't know what to do. All right, anyway, I was hoping that they, you know, anyway, let's see. I don't think I've ever had a Smashbox lipstick. That's why I bought this. This I paid $7 for, and it is valued at $27. It's a full size. It's Always On Cream to Matte Lipstick, and what is the shade name? Let's see if we can find the shade name. Maybe it's on the actual lippy. This is neat looking. Look at that on top. That's the shade, I guess, although it looks way darker online. So let me see if I can get my magnifying glass and see. The shade name is Promoted, okay? It says it on my email. So anyway, Smashbox. There is, it's cute. I can get it open. Oh, it's pretty, okay. Yeah, it is dark. It is, oh, I don't know. Who knows? It's way darker on the website. So, this has an X on top. I don't know if you can see that X, but it's beautiful. I did want it to be darker than this. So anyway, we'll see. Oh, it's nice. It's, wow, that went on really thick and creamy. Really thick and creamy. So I think I'm gonna like that. I'm sorry about Smudge, y'all. He left. All I can do is hope and pray that she grows fast, and then I'll be sad that she's grown fast. Look how pretty that is. It is pretty, but it was much darker online. Anyway, okay, so now this is my big mistake that I can see there's a mistake in here. Not really happy about it. This is Ipsy. Well, you know, it was under Ipsy instead of another brand. It's called the Face Mask Bundle. And it says it's valued at $44.50, and I paid $9.99. And I have another package coming of the same thing. I don't remember what else I bought, but I bought these masks again, not on purpose. I didn't mean to buy them twice. But sometimes when you're looking and shopping, you know, I don't know. But I can see that there's a problem here because they show, I've got the picture right here, and it shows, all right, let me see. Well, here you can see. There's the lippy. See how dark that lippy is? It looks darker to me. But in this package, they have, this is a box of 5 sheet masks. 6. There's 6 in this box. I've only got 1. All right, Camille, you can't be knocking the camera. She is ruining my ring light is broken and everything because of her. So calm it on down. So I will be contacting them yet again. This is a wonderful mask. This is the Honey Jarrett, the Super Beauty mask in rose. Now we've been getting the apple and the lemon. Maybe it's honey lemon even. Well, Honey Jarrett. So we've been getting that a lot in Boxy, and the rose I haven't seen in a long while. But the box comes with 6, and that's what it says that I'm supposed to get. So I was expecting that. I think everything else is correct. Let's see what else we got. So it's still a good bundle for $9.99. All right, I've got a Maskology, great product line. Maskology has wonderful masks. This is the Hyaluronic Gummy Modeling Mask. I've done this on Mask Monday before. Not my favorite mask. It goes on and it's almost like silicone. It's weird. It's weird. It dries, but it sort of stays wet. It's weird. But it's interesting. It's this gummy stuff, and you mix it up with, there's powder, and I can't remember if there's liquid that you mix with it or if you put in your own water, but it's nice. And this is usually, I think it's $9.99 or so or more. If you go to their website, Maskology, they have wonderful masks. So that right there, I think pays for the whole package. And then we have other things. We have the JAVY Beauty, that Limitless Glow 1 mask. And this I have not tried before. Laura the Bargain Hunter tried this one. She got it in her Ipsy or something, I think, or she bought it in a add-on or something. And she said that it wasn't her favorite, but she liked it, but you couldn't talk with it on or something like that. I can't remember. Comment below, Laura, if you tell me about this mask. I can't remember, but I wanted to try it because it's JLo, and it is also not a cheap mask by itself if you just were to buy it separately. So these more than pay for the $9.99, but I'm upset that I don't have this package. And they're going to tell me they don't have it, is what they're going to tell me. And then we have these. We have had these masks before also. BRTC, vitamin B5, and vitamin A. These are 2 separate masks, but they just come hooked together. But they are separate masks. All the noise, y'all. And then we have a package here. Let's see what this is. I don't remember everything. Oh, now I'm seeing it on the picture. We have 2 of these. These are the Nature. There's a Sika Herb and the Squeeze Green. I actually just did this one the other night. These are nice masks. All of these are nice masks. It's rare that I don't like a sheet mask. I will say that. And then we have this little package of the Playlist, and there's 2 of them in here. Okay, these are the same. Nourishing Ultra Hydration Sheet Mask, okay? So this, it's well worth the $9.99 for what I got. I've got these 2. I've got these 2. These 2. 1 Honey Jarrett should be 6. The Maskology Hyaluronic Gummy and the JLo Beauty. So it's a nice bundle for $9.99, but I'm going to let them know I should be getting a package of, well, I'll let them know. Anyway, let's move on to the next thing that I got. I got a this is the November 2021 Mystery Glam Bag. And it's usually when they sell these, they sell them for $14. And it was on sale for $11 in the Mega Drop Shop. So let's see if this is what I ordered. Oops, oh, there's a few things. Always look in your bag because there might be things. Always just make sure you got everything out of there because there are a few things outside of the bag. So this is a cute bag. It is velvet, green velvet. Soft, looks like AstroTurf. And it does have the Ipsy tag. And all right, Camille. Holy Terror, y'all. Okay, let's see. We've got 5 things in here, and there's no card, so I'll just have to wing it. Hope I know what I got in here. So anyway, let me show you the bag real quick. It's cute. It was November, so it's sort of a holiday-looking bag. It's red-lined inside. No Ipsy tag inside, but it does have the Ipsy zipper, so that's nice. And we've got this is Locket. Does it say Locket? It's so tiny, y'all. I think it says Locket. This is a waterproof pencil eyeliner. So that is nice. I like that. Nice little one. I'll probably use that right away. So let's see. Oh yeah, it's not very dark, but it says it's waterproof. That's nice. And these are all deluxe samples. What's going to be in this bag? This is the Gold Fadden MD. This stuff's expensive, y'all. This is a deluxe sample. Again, this is the Doctor Scrub. It is a microderm exfoliator. Okay, I probably have used this before. Hey, this is nice. I can see because of the ring light, this is full. So that's a good couple of uses in there, maybe even 3. So that's nice to carry if you're going away for the weekend or something. And then we have O-U-A-I. Is that pronounced we? I know I always say it wrong. I don't know how it's pronounced. I'm going to say it's we. And this is a detox shampoo, and there's also quite a bit in there. Look how it's, you know, pretty full. There's quite a bit in there. It is sealed. I was going to smell it, but it's sealed. So it's a detox shampoo, it says. All hair types. So if you need extra help, that's the thing to use. And then we have these two things were outside of the package. So let's look at the brush first. Okay, I think I've had, well, maybe not this one. This is a double-ended brush. I'm not real keen on double-ended brushes because I usually put my brushes in something like that. So they, you know, get a little damaged. It says that it's conceal and set. So this is conceal, this is set. And do I know a brand? Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a Farrah brush. That's a good brand. Farrah is a very good brand brush, double-ended. I'm going to put that back in here because I probably will not use this one myself. Or this is good to carry again when, you know, you're traveling it. That's what the Deluxe Minis are great for that. I'll put it back later. And then we got something from Tula. And if these are what I think they are, I've had these before and they're really nice. It's nice. Look at how nicely they wrap this, because if this were to break, it would have leaked all over. Hey, what are you doing? Do not be chewy on the masks. I'll have to do a mask tonight if she's opened any. Ay, 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 help, help. All right, I cannot figure out how to open this. I'm not kidding you. All right, hang on. All right, there are two in here. And these are the Instant Facial Skin Reviving Treatment Pads. So this is, it's like a wipe. Basically, you clean your face, and then this polishes and exfoliates for smoother, brighter looking skin. These are great for travel. So this whole package is great for travel. It says skin renewing treatment pads. So slip your fingers into the pad. I remember that these they have a little place to put your fingers in, and then you glide it across your face. Glide the white smooth side over the face to disperse the serum and plant fibers, and then flip the pad to the light blue side and the light blue textured side and massage skin for 1 to 2 minutes to exfoliate and reveal smoother, more radiant skin. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. So it says for best results, use 1 to 2 times a week. Very nice. Tula is a great brand. So this was nice for $11. I like it. I think I got my money's worth on this little bag. So again, the little bag, and then these 3 products, these 2, and the brush, the double-ended brush. So that is what I got from this order. Well, it's a combination of orders, but anyway, from Ipsy's Mega Drop Shop. Ipsy/Boxy Mega Drop Shop. We can't say Ipsy Boxy the rest of our lives, can we? So I think they're getting rid of Boxy is what I think they're doing, but we'll see. We'll see. I mean, that's what it seems like anyway. So, and the new boxes even just say Ipsy instead of Boxy. Anyway, I'm happy with what I got. This lippy I'm liking it on my skin. I am. So, y'all, I've got really red hot today. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Thanks for stopping by. Good to see you. Bye-bye.